Hey everybody, today ArcBlock released its upgraded support for the latest Gemini LLM models, including Gemini 2.0. And just going to do a quick walkthrough of how to go ahead and set that up on your Blocklet server if you haven't already. Normally, there's two ways to use the LLM models within AIGNE. One is to, if you're using the online service, it's already baked in, you're ready to go. You can go to launcher.blocklet.io and launch AIGNE. And once you get in there, you'll have immediate access into these new models. Separately, you also have the option to go ahead and add it as an adapter on your Blocklet service. So if you're running a self-hosted version or a hosted version somewhere else, there's a few additional steps you need to go through, but like anyone, about 30 seconds is all you need and you'll be up and running with the latest model. So real quick, if you haven't already, go to arcblock.io, go down one section, you'll see AIGNE upgrade support of Gemini. And there's a quick article here in terms of what is Gemini 2.0, what are some of the benefits, and how to effectively get started getting it added into AIGNE. So as you can see here in terms of how to use it, first we need to go ahead and install the Gemini adapter Blocklet. There's a Gemini LLM adapter right here. You can go and search, just click on choose. We're going to need to add hard key. We're going to just generate that. And you're going to continue through the installation direction. You can see that in. Let's go ahead and complete that. In your Blocklet server, there's just one thing you need to do here. Right now, it's currently in a stop status. Just go ahead and hit start. Now that that's been started, it should be available in our AIGNE studio to go ahead and start using. So just click on new project. Let's give it a name. We'll just call it Gemini to keep it super simple. Hit create. This is taking us to our agent builder. So the very first thing you want to go ahead and do is hit the plus symbol to set up a new agent. And you can see here, it gives us a couple of dialog boxes. Again, in our case, we're wanting to go ahead and add Gemini. You can see here right now, the default is GPT-4o mini. Let's click on add more models. And if you click on Google, what you'll notice here is I've got anything from Gemini Pro to 2.0 to 1.5. Go ahead and pick the option that you want. Click on use model. And that's it. Let's test it. Who are you? You see here, I'm a large language model trained by Google. So that's it. You're off the races and ready to go.